learn today is deer. It means you're supposed to come in on deer. So we're like, deer!
That had two parts.
I know. That's one of them, and your other one is nerd slash woo! Okay, sorry. Calling Fisha dog, and now listen to my flow. I'm gonna teach you French verbs, okay, so here we go. The first verb we're gonna learn today is deer. You did it wrong! The first verb we're gonna learn today is deer. It means to say, that's what it means, my dear. Je dis, tu dis, il, elle, on dit. We got more conjugations. We got 3. Nous has saison, and vous got dit. Il, elle descend. This is my French verb be. Similar to deer is our good friend lire. It means to read. There's more learning coming here. Je lis, tu lis, il, elle, on lit. Twos are expensive, but my rap is free. Nous has saison, and vous got lisé. Il, elle descend. French is fun, that's what I say.
Nerd.
Hey, hold on! The learning's just begun. Nah, I'm only messing. I'm really almost done. A little more tricky on my list is écrire. This means to write, so everybody give a cheer. J'écris, tu écris. Il, elle, on écrit. This one's so much harder to rap, don't you see? Nous écrivons, and vous écrivez. Ils écrivent. I pop these out like pets. Écrivez, it's hard to rhyme, but this was such a treat. Now I'm out of time, so just fade out with a beat. Oh my god, that was so hard.
Encore.
Right?
Yeah, and put it on YouTube with all the other French raps.
Ready, got it.
What?
I'll
Oh,
put it
dang it.